We got married in 1997 and we bought this farm. And when we bought it, there was a corn crib here and the inside of our show barn, that silo that's right here, and that was it. And we've slowly kind of built our farm up over the last 20 years. And today it supports both Alan and I, two full-time employees and several college families. And we are partners with my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law that also contribute to the farm. It's turned into a very large program that I think when Alan and I got married, we never would have guessed would have been the case. We sell show cattle mostly,